right, team, welcome. So for the next few minutes, we're going to dive into some new tools that are about to become your AI creative co-pilots. And I'm not talking about small updates here. These are things that are going to completely change how you tackle projects right from the very start. I mean, of course you have, right? We all know those impossible deadlines and sky-high expectations. But what if you had a co-pilot that could not just keep up, but actually speed up your entire workflow? From that first little spark of an idea all the way to the final animated prototype. So let's start where every single project begins, the mood board, the initial concepts. This is where the grind used to be, but now it's where the magic can happen, like instantly. Okay, that phrase right there, thinking capabilities, that's the key. This isn't just another image generator. Think of it more like a research assistant and a graphic artist all rolled into one. It gets context, it can pull info in real time, and this is a big one for us designers, it finally gets text right.
Oh, we've all been there. You spend like half the day just hunting for assets, fighting with stock photo licenses, trying to force typography onto an image that just wasn't made for it. It's a total momentum killer. Okay, now picture this. Instead of all that manual nonsense, you just write one single detailed brief. You describe a really complex magazine page, a specific brand vibe, or a poster with the exact copy you need. And boom, the model just generates it perfectly. In this right here is a perfect example of what's possible now. This prompt, it's from the source material, and it resulted in this stunningly complex, totally coherent image. It just goes to show you that the model can handle a huge amount of creative direction all at once, layering ideas just like a senior designer would. So the possibilities for your portfolio and for client work are just massive. You can create custom infographics that explain your design process, generate unique visuals that make your case studies really pop. You can even build these immersive panoramic images. It's basically a brand new playground for us to experiment in.
And what about one of our biggest headaches, brand consistency? Well, tools like Ideogram are an absolute game changer. You can forget about trying to get some generic model to understand a really niche art style. Now you can just train your own. And the process itself is just so straightforward. You feed it a brand's existing assets, it basically learns the visual DNA, and then it starts generating new assets that feel like they came from the exact same creative team. This is how we're going to scale a brand's visual identity flawlessly.
Okay, let's move on to the next phase. We've got our visuals locked down. Now, how do we turn those ideas into actual working prototypes faster than we ever have before?
I love this quote from the source material. It just perfectly captures the power of the new GPT 5.5 model. It's amazing at taking a vague idea, what they call messy intent, and turning it into a polished, functional thing without you having to spell out every single detail. I really want you to see this in action. They gave a simple one-sentence prompt to both the old GPT 5.4 model and the new 5.5. The whole point was to see just how big the leap in quality really is. And whoa, the leap is so obvious. I mean, GPT 5.4 gave a decent starting point, sure, but it had issues, it was a little wonky. GPT 5.5, on the other hand, delivered this sophisticated, interactive experience. We're talking sliders, graphs that actually change, and just a way better UI. And it did all that from the exact same simple request. This is rapid prototyping on a whole other level. All right, now for the final polish, the part that makes the project truly unforgettable, animation. This is where things get really, really interesting for our portfolios, for our presentations, and for selling an idea. So think of Claude Design like having a junior animator on your team. It's a tool that can whip up simple professional motion graphics just on command, right from a prompt. No more exporting assets and opening a whole other program. This quote just nails the core value, doesn't it? What used to demand specialized software and hours of tedious work can now be done in minutes with just a few lines of text. That's a massive, massive efficiency gain for any project. So for a client presentation, for example, you could literally just ask it to create an animated bar chart showing audience demographics, and it'll generate a clean, professional animation that you can drop right into your deck. Just done. So, from highlighting a location on a map for a travel brand to animating data for a case study, this just streamlines the whole creation process for dynamic content, and it makes your work look and feel so much more premium.
Okay, so we've looked at tools for ideation, for prototyping, and for animation. What does all this actually mean for your creative process? And more importantly, what does it mean for your growth as a designer?
It means there's a fundamental shift happening in our workflow. I mean, just look at how we're moving from the manual to the immediate, from collage to concepts, from wireframes to interactive mockups. We're evolving from being the hands-on creators to being creative directors. Our main job now is to guide these incredibly powerful tools to execute our vision at a speed we've never seen before. And that frees us up to focus on the big ideas. Look, the key takeaway here is to just start experimenting. Don't wait. Pick one of these tools and bake it into your next personal project. See how it changes your approach. See what new creative doors it opens up for you. These are your new co-pilots. Now, let's get building.